The 3 dehumidification modes for household dryers is an innovative solution designed to tackle the common problem of excess moisture in the home, particularly in laundry areas. With its multiple functionalities and user-friendly design, this dehumidifier aims to make household chores more efficient and comfortable. One of the standout features of this dehumidifier is its 3 distinct dehumidification modes. Users can select from high, medium, and low settings, which allows for versatile operation based on the specific humidity levels in the home. This adaptability is particularly valuable during different seasons or in varying weather conditions. For example, during the humid summer months, the high mode might be necessary to quickly bring down moisture levels, while the low mode is perfect for cooler months when humidity levels are typically less severe. The user interface is intuitive and straightforward, making it easy for anyone to operate, regardless of their technical expertise. The control panel consists of clearly labeled buttons for each mode, and a simple LED display indicates which setting is in use. This minimalistic design ensures that even those who are not tech-savvy can confidently adjust the dehumidification settings as needed. Another impressive feature is the full shutdown capability. This element is particularly beneficial for users who may want to conserve energy or avoid excessive noise. Once the desired humidity level is reached, the dehumidifier automatically shuts off, which not only saves electricity but also extends the lifespan of the appliance. This is an important consideration for environmentally conscious consumers or those looking to reduce their energy bills. The dehumidifier's two-way timing function further enhances its usability. This feature allows users to schedule when the unit operates, providing flexibility for busy households. For instance, you can set it to run during the night when energy rates are lower or while you are away at work to ensure that your laundry area is dry and comfortable when you return home. This functionality is a game changer for those with hectic schedules, as it eliminates the need to remember to turn the unit on or off manually. In terms of design, the dehumidifier is sleek and unobtrusive, making it a perfect fit for any room. Its compact size means it can be easily placed in laundry rooms, bathrooms, or even bedrooms without taking up too much space. The lightweight design adds to its convenience, allowing for easy relocation if necessary. Performance-wise, the dehumidifier delivers impressive results. It effectively reduces humidity levels within a short period, making it a reliable choice for households prone to dampness. Users have reported a noticeable difference in air quality, with reduced odors and improved overall comfort. The unit also operates quietly, which is a significant plus for individuals sensitive to noise or for those who wish to run the device overnight. Maintenance is another critical aspect to consider, and this dehumidifier scores well in this department. The water tank is easy to remove and clean, and it has a generous capacity that reduces the frequency of emptying. Furthermore, the filter is washable, which means you won't have to spend money on replacements frequently. Regular maintenance is straightforward, allowing users to keep the unit in optimal condition with minimal effort. However, there are some areas where the dehumidifier could improve. While the 3 modes are beneficial, some users might prefer additional options for even more specific humidity control. Additionally, while the compact design is generally an advantage, it may not be suitable for larger spaces, particularly in homes with significant moisture issues. Users with large basements or extensive laundry areas might need to consider a more powerful dehumidification solution. Overall, the 3 dehumidification modes for household dryers dehumidifier is a highly functional and user-friendly appliance that effectively addresses moisture-related challenges. With its versatile settings, automatic shutdown feature, and convenient timing capabilities, it stands out as a practical choice for modern households. Its sleek design and ease of maintenance add to its appeal, making it a worthwhile investment for those seeking to improve air quality and comfort in their homes. While it may not be the ultimate solution for extensive moisture problems, it certainly excels in everyday situations, providing a reliable and efficient dehumidification experience.